Welcome everybody, my name's Chef Eli here at the School Foods Rocks Training Kitchen. Today we're going to put together a delicious turkey caprese croissant using the Butterball thick sliced turkey. So this product can be used and made on hamburger buns and wraps as well. It is a fully cooked product with a really nice oven roasted flavor, and it's going to be 2 slices of the turkey to meet the 2 meat and meat alternatives. And it's available commercially or through a commodity processing. So without further ado, we're going to build this delicious sandwich. Starting off with the croissant, easy. 2 slices of the oven roasted turkey. Then we go with 2 slices of mozzarella cheese, 2 slices of vine ripe tomato, 4 slices of basil leaf, and then you're going to top it off with 1 tablespoon of a balsamic reduction. And just like that, folks, you have a delicious caprese croissant sandwich using the Butterball thick sliced oven roasted turkey.